Hi everyone, my name is Nehita. I'm your host and you're welcome to the Yoruba Gods NFT Podcast. Like literally. Well, I know you've heard a lot about Greek gods. I mean Zeus, Hermes, Thor, the list goes on. But can you mention 5 African gods? But that's why Yoruba Gods NFT is here. We're creatively introducing traditional Yoruba deities in the virtual space and rewarding our supporters involved in the journey with perks and benefits while following a utility-focused roadmap with activities for holders and community members. Our utilities range from music to artworks, merchandising, and a whole lot more. So hang around as we'll be having conversations about the project and full breakdown of the roadmap from the artist and director of the project, the team, and every contributor. I mean, it sounds interesting, doesn't it? Yeah? Well, I'll catch you on the first episode.